Welcome. In the next few moments, allow yourself to journey inward. We will seek the stillness that resides within. Let go of any thoughts that bind you to the past or the future. Today we embrace the present moment. Our breath will be our guide. It will lead us to a place of tranquility, free from the weight of worry, free from the constraints of thought. Let this be your time to simply be. As you breathe in, feel the air filling your lungs, bringing with it a sense of calm and peace. As you exhale, release any tension or stress that you may be holding on to. Imagine yourself in a serene forest, surrounded by the gentle rustling of leaves and the soft chirping of birds. The sunlight filters through the trees, casting a warm, golden glow. This is your sanctuary, a place where you can find solace and rejuvenation. With each breath, you become more grounded, more centered. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this moment, to feel the connection with the natural world around you. This journey to inner peace is a gift you give to yourself, a moment of pure presence and mindfulness. Embrace it fully and let it nourish your soul. Take this moment for yourself. This is a time dedicated to nurturing your inner peace. Let go of any expectations. Simply arrive with an open heart and a willingness to be present. Feel the weight of your body grounding you. Sense the gentle rise and fall of your breath. You are here in this moment, and that is enough. Find a comfortable position. You may choose to sit or lie down. If you are sitting, allow your spine to lengthen towards the sky. If you are lying down, let your body melt into the surface beneath you. Close your eyes gently. Let your eyelids rest softly. Begin to turn your attention inward. Notice the sensations of your body. Feel the support of the ground beneath you. Bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of each inhale and exhale. There is no need to change the way you are breathing. Simply observe. With each inhale, feel your chest and belly gently expand. With each exhale, feel your body soften and release. Breathing in, find calmness. Breathing out, release tension. Section 5. The power of now. Repeat these words to yourself silently. I am present. I am calm. I am at peace. Let these affirmations wash over you, carrying away any lingering thoughts or worries. In this moment, there is nothing to do but be. There are no tasks to complete, no expectations to meet, just the gentle rhythm of your breath and the stillness of your mind. Section 6. Finding serenity in nature's embrace. Imagine yourself surrounded by the beauty of nature. Feel the soft grass beneath your feet as you walk through a lush green meadow. Hear the gentle rustling of leaves as a soft breeze whispers through the trees. The air is fresh and invigorating. The sun warms your skin. Birds sing sweetly in the distance. You are safe, you are held, you are at peace. As you continue to walk, you notice the vibrant colors of wildflowers dotting the landscape, their petals gently swaying with the rhythm of the wind. The scent of pine and earth fills your senses, grounding you in this moment of tranquility. A nearby stream babbles softly, its clear waters reflecting the azure sky above. You take a deep breath, feeling the pure, crisp air fill your lungs, rejuvenating your spirit. Every step you take brings you closer to a profound sense of calm and connection with the natural world. Here, in nature's embrace, you find a sanctuary, a place where worries fade away and serenity reigns supreme. Section 7. Returning to the present moment. Gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Feel the gentle expansion of your belly. You are returning to the present moment, refreshed and renewed. As you breathe in, feel the cool air entering your nostrils. And as you breathe out, feel the warmth leaving your body. Imagine each breath as a wave, gently washing over you, cleansing and calming your mind. When you are ready, gently begin to deepen your breath. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the subtle sensations in your body. Take your time, there is no rush. Open your eyes slowly and allow yourself to return to your surroundings. Notice the colors, shapes, and textures around you. Feel the connection between your inner world and the outer world. Embrace this moment of stillness and peace, knowing that you can return to this state of mindfulness whenever you need. Let this practice be a reminder that the present moment is always available to you, offering a sanctuary of calm and clarity. Section 8. Gratitude and Farewell. Carry the peace you have cultivated within you throughout your day. Remember that you can return to this place of stillness whenever you need to. Thank you for joining me on this journey inward. Namaste.